Unboxing History, Lego Set 21054, The White House, with Avrey Charles.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of History Unboxed. I'm your host, Avrey Charles, and today we're delving into the rich history of one of the most iconic buildings in the world, the White House. Here's the twist. We'll be exploring it through the lens of the incredible architecture White House Lego set. Let's dive in! The White House has stood as a symbol of American democracy since the construction began in 1792. Designed by James Hoban, this neoclassical masterpiece has witnessed the unfolding of countless historical events, from presidents' inaugurations to critical decisions that shaped the nation. Now let's enter the Lego architecture White House set. They designed a replica that pays homage to the rich tapestry of history woven within those iconic walls. As we assemble this set, we unravel the story of the White House brick by brick. As we piece together the Lego White House, it's like reconstructing the past. Each brick represents a chapter in American history, from the burning of the White House during the War of 1812 and the extensive renovations that took place in the 20th century. The Lego set mirrors the architectural evolution of the White House, capturing its various stages and transformations. The attention to detail in this set allows us to appreciate the intricate features of the White House, such as the iconic portico and the South Lawn. But it's not just the physical structure, it's about the people who lived and worked within these walls. Presidents, the family, and the staff all have left a mark of on this democracy. Now let's talk about the Lego architecture, the White House set itself. It's not just a toy, it's a miniature time capsule. The set's design captures the essence of the White House at different points in history. It's a tangible way for us to connect to the past and appreciate the architectural legacy of the historic residence. And here we have it, the complete White House Lego set, a testament to enduring history and significance of this iconic building. Whether you're a history buff, an architectural enthusiast, or just a Lego fan, the set is a unique journey through time. Thank you for joining me on this historical adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more episodes of History Unboxed. Until next time, I'm Avrey Charles, signing off. Stay curious!